Namaste to all. In this episode, I am going to discuss about US President election falling on November. See, in this election, President Trump and Joe Biden are contesting from two parties, Republican parties and Democratic Party. I am going to analyze both horoscope, separate episode, and I will provide the empirical values and output in third episode. President Trump, born at New York in the year 1946. His school studies and all New York, and President Trump completes his bachelor degree economics. President Trump married and he has got 5 children. Last year he has visited to India with his family, and he was given VIP level security, and he can just go over entire Taj Mahal independently without any disturbance. President Trump birth star is Jyeshta and zodiac sign is Vrishchiga Rasi. It's a Scorpio. Actually, at the time of birth, balance Dasha Bhukti, Buddha Dasha more than 5 years. President Trump has some issues related to a young age, because after 5 to 6 years he will be fallen under Ketu Dasha. President Trump has a Kala Sarva Dosh. That Kala Sarva Dosh is providing some sort of difficulties, and along with Purnima Yoga. This Purnima Yoga means Rahu conjunction with the sun and Ketu conjunction with the moon. So everyone tells the Kala Sarva Dosha always not worth. But President Trump Kala Sarva Yoga elevated into the American #1 citizen of President of United States of America. So we have to watch. There are so many leaders with Kala Sarva Dosh, and they were elevated #1 in the country. In this horoscope, there are plenty of good signs in President Trump horoscope. The political planets and all not malefic. Political planets and all sits in nice place and providing lot of benefic results to President Trump. Especially Saturn and Venus are occupied at Karkatak. Saturn and Venus are providing Raja Yoga and Viparita Raja Yoga also sometimes. So President Trump will be a Karorpati, and he is also a TV personality, always appearing in TV. So he has more girlfriends, and with relationship, all these things is inevitable for President Trump. This Saturn and Venus conjunction, Venus is somewhat exalted, and Saturn managing by Venus in Karkatak is a very, very notable information. Again, Buddha creates Patra Yoga, first 4-5 years till completion of his young age. That shows a rich lifestyle of President Trump. So Buddha Dasha is indicating Patra Yoga. Patra Yoga is one of the Panchamaha Purusha Yoga. So President Trump will be born in a rich family. Buddha is showing that Panchamaha Purusha Yoga, and Saturn Venus also showing his rich status. Because actually at the time of contesting election, he is owning around Indian worth of money is 210 crores. It is specified. President Trump, being a Scorpio and Jyeshta Nakshatra, and Mars is sitting in Simha Rasi. President is very, very aggressive man. He will take fast decisions and very short temper man, and always others to act according to his guidelines very, very quickly. Whenever his command gone to others, they have to act very fast. That is Jyeshta Nakshatra with Scorpio zodiac sign itself as a angry personality. Again, Ketu associated is some sort of intolerate things. As long as he go, he will give nice words. In the year 2014 presidential elections, President Trump represented from Republican Party and his opponents Hillary Clinton, wife of Clinton, ex-president of United States of America. But during that time also Hillary Clinton and having a lot of tough contesting, and finally President Trump won the battle in some sort of nice margin. President Trump became a President of United States of America first time in the year 2014. During Rahu Dasa, second part of Rahu Dasa, President Trump elevated into the political era and he secured president post in the presidential election in the year 2014. But any upcoming personality during Rahu Dasa, either first part or second part, Rahu always elevate into high lifestyle of positions and some sort of high caliber post. So here in the year 2014, when President Trump contesting the election, he was having second part of Rahu Dasa. Rahu Dasa elevated into US president. Along with that, he has Sade Sati, very troubleshooting time, Kala Sarbadosh, Purnima Yog, everything is clusterly helped President Trump to promoting himself into the president election, and he won the battle in the year 2014. President Trump, Mars is occupying Simha Rasi. President Trump always utilized the military power, very commanding position. See, after taken over, first choice, President Trump drawn troops in Iraq. Then the troops were deployed into Syria. Syria has so long years fighting. There also some sort of mediation and some worse things are going on, but better than 2014 stage. After Syria, the problem started in Middle East with respect to Iran. Iran developing nuclear weapons. So Trump interfered into the Iran country, and he has a dialogue to stop nuclear producing manufacturing of nuclear weapons. Iran never listened. Thus immediately Trump put his naval base and trade ban, and no one should buy oil from Iran and all. He used his veto power and put Iran into trouble. The Mars always aspecting Vrishchika Rasi. So he will take quick action with respect to defense handling. After this Middle East, North Korea started big issues. Again, Kim Jong-un, father was died, then young age Kim Jong-un was taken as a North Korean president. Then he was developing so many nuclear weapons. So again, President Trump deployed his naval base near US-owned island Guam. So there, North Korea is giving trouble for South Korea and related to other Far East countries, and he is threatening like anything that he is developing more nuclear weapon. So Trump has taken all his, most of the fleet, the warship, and curtailed North Korean development. Finally, Kim Jong-un had two dialogues with President Trump. That is also one of the important things to note. In the meantime, China developed very, very worse for the entire world. That means China wants to dominate number one position in the world, and he wants to bypass America. President Trump put trade bans to China. That is the first initiation. In the entire world was suffering with the virus. So this creates a lot of conflict and the Chinese bilateral collapsed. So all these things that happened by the time President Trump Guru Dasa initiated and Guru Dasa Swayambhukti, there will be issues. That is why President Trump were facing a lot of issues in his handling. Now President Trump will be facing election in the month of first week of November or something. So by that time what happens, President Trump will be Guru Dasa Shani Bhukti. Shani and Jupiter are good friends. Is from Gochara, Jupiter is in Labasthana and Shani is in 10th out along with Shukra, creating Viparita Raja Yoga. This Guru Dasa Shani Bhukti creates some sort of good development. Now President Trump, first minus point is going off. That means Ketu vacating from the Shani is a good sign for President Trump, because Saturn and Ketu are not cordial. So Saturn, once Ketu vacates, Saturn gets the Viparita Raja Yoga power. Saturn sits with Jupiter, and President Trump will be promoting himself in the elections. That means when nearing, he will be securing high percentage. That means with Joe Biden, he will show his percentage in somewhat high command. Maybe the difference will be very, very little bit. President Trump political planets are very strong, and Jupiter Dasa, Shani Bhukti, Shani Shukra is in Viparita Raja Yoga. Shani is also in associated with Venus, and election complete. Jupiter Shani are conjunction at Dhanusu Rasi, Sagittarius. So that gives a lot of hope. September 1st, once Ketu vacates, 2 months time, President Trump will promote himself and he will have a lot of positive signs to win the battle in US 2020 presidential elections. President Trump has various yoga as per his birth chart. And it's Vesi Yoga, Damini Yoga, Parvada Yoga, Raja Yoga with respect to Venus Saturn, and also creating Viparita Raja Yoga, Pasvi Yoga, and Rasi Navamsa Vargottama. That means Rasi, Venus Saturn at Karkataka. In Navamsa, Venus Saturn also in Karkataka indicates strong Vargottama, because these planets creating Raja Yoga and Viparita Raja Yoga, mostly this planet Bhukti will be helping second term elections for President Trump. The analysis of President Trump horoscope, Sarvashtaka Varga denotes only in Dhanusu the minimum points of 21 indicating. Rest of the other 11 house and all, the Bindus count shows more than 60% in good status. So that is also one of the advantage. So Guru Dasha plus Shani Bhukti. The Shani Bhukti, the Shani has Viparita Raja Yoga qualities and Rasi Navamsa as Vargottama. I think mostly President will win in the US second term elections once this Ketu is transit. Jupiter and Saturn are very strong. President Trump will bring a lot of reforms in his campaign, and people voted to Trump and elect him a second term president.